A typical day for me in the Faculty of AI and Robotics involves me going to class, doing my assignments, and also sharing new news about AI with my friends and professors. My name is Siti Bealinda Qinthara Rony, and I'm from Indonesia. I'm currently studying Bachelor's of Information Systems in Artificial Intelligence at Raffles University. So it's a very open community here. We actually are involved in a lot of different projects, and we usually share our different approaches as well in each of the projects we're in charge of between each other, so we gain a lot of new knowledge from each other. It's really nice. My final year project is about the prediction of someone's mental working state. You can actually predict and quantify someone's mental working state, so whether they are fatigued or mentally tired. The project involves a practical implementation using the Muse EEG headband. So rather than the more experimental EEG equipment, we record the EEG signal, so the brainwaves of people in the morning, and we pass it to a neural network for feature extraction and prediction so that it can predict an evening value of this mental working state. And the system actually records their morning signals, given that a threshold, for example, using a psychological analysis, they will be able to say if the evening value exceeds the threshold or not. And if it exceeds this threshold, that means the person or employee is mentally overloaded, and we can say that they are unfit to work. A recent project I was involved in was about brain captioning. So we similarly use the EEG headband, but this time we try to predict thoughts and sentences and letters. So we use AI models like the Transformers and ResNet to try and predict full-length sentences or to classify letters. Yes, but it's still an ongoing research as of now. The proudest achievement I've done, it's not necessarily something tangible, but it's more the skills that I've acquired through my years in this university, because the curriculum pushes us to be very practical, whilst in my opinion it's still very research intensive. There's a lot of projects I'm involved in, and I was just proud and happy to be able to gain the skills to do it all. But if I have to say a tangible achievement that I did was about my mobile app project. Is an AI note assistant taking app, and also the object counting for Malaysian coins. Those are the two projects I would say I'm most happy about. It's actually not much different than my typical day in the faculty. The special things, I guess, or the differences that someone would encounter as an international student, I feel can only be felt outside the university instead of inside, at least for me. So that's a peek into my life here at the Faculty of AI and Robotics. So far it's been an unforgettable journey, but there's still so much ahead. Thanks for following along, and maybe I'll see you here someday.